Hello guys, good day. So now let's discuss how you can read the candlestick. Okay, so you can analyze your chart when you're trading or investing in stock or cryptocurrencies. Okay, so this is the most famous chart used by traders because it's a good, it is easy to use and it's better. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so I'm now looking at this chart in eToro. So I'm using eToro platform and I'm reading the Apple chart. Okay, as you can see, there's this chart, and this is a candlestick chart. Okay, so this is what called this looks like a candle. So this was originated in Japan, and this stick contains some information that you may use for trading. And just one stick, it contains a really good information, like five information, important information that you can use to analyze this chart. Okay, as you can see, this chart of the apple is going up and down. Okay, now it's going standing up, but there are some bearish indicator. Okay, now let's look at this chart. So what you can notice about this chart, as you can see, there's this green color and there's also this red color. So when the bar is the body of this bar is red, that means the price went down. Okay, the price of Apple stocks or shares went down, and when the color is green, the price of Apple share went up. Okay, and then there's this shadow. They call this shadow, but I call this string because the candle has string, right? So this string indicates something else. Okay, let's focus first on the color. So if it's green, it went up, and if it's red, it went down. So as April 9, the price went up. Okay, and April 10, the price went down, and then April 3rd, 14, the price went down. Okay, so this is a daily chart. So as you can see in this chart, I'm using day as the unit, but I can change that. Actually, the price of stock changes every minute, just like indicated here, every 5 minutes, every 10 minutes. Okay, so it fluctuates during the day. The price of the stock, the Apple stock, or any form of markets available changes based on this the opening and closing of the market during the day. So every day it opens and closes. So here in the Philippines, I think it's around 9 a.m. It starts then ends at around 3 p.m. So something like that. I'm not sure, but you can search it in Google. So during a period of day, it starts somewhere and ends somewhere, and then the price fluctuates during the day. Okay. Example, if we expand this April 15. This is April 15, right? Choose a 5 minute unit. Then you will see per minute. Okay, this one. Every hour, every minute. Okay, that's how far it can go. This is every 5 minutes. Okay, every 5 minutes, 350, 355, it changes. The price changes, and there's still this candle. That's amazing because just for a span of 5 minutes, the price fluctuated. Okay, this is a form of fluctuation like this one. How about 1 minute? So this is every minute. So even at the minute period, the price can still change. So it's almost per seconds, right? Because it's not fixed. I'm expecting just a bar like this one, right? The price will be like this one because it's just the unit is minute. So as you can see here, okay, let's look at this graph. Okay, from Let's look at it. Unless the graph. Okay. Okay, from 3, I want to use this one. It's better. Okay, 1, 2, 3 p.m. Example, during this period of time from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Let's just use this as an example. From 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Yeah, this one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So the price fluctuated, right? So it's not fixed. It changes from time to time. Sometimes goes up, sometimes goes down, like what the red is indicating, right? Most of the time it goes went down. So when you see our green, when you see the green color, that means that is bullish and a lot of people are buying shares. But when the color is red, it's bearish, it's a bear, and a lot of people are selling. Okay, so you will see here how many people. You have an idea of how much, how many people are buying and selling. So in this area, looks like there's a lot more people who are buying. That's why the price is going up. Then from this area, a lot more people are selling. Then a lot of people are buying again, then selling again. Then a lot more people sells around this time. That's why the price went down. And then it went back again because there's a lot of seller or buyer. Okay, so this is how what happens during the day. Okay, the same thing happens. So if you look at this, just this graph, there is the lowest part, this area, right? And this is the highest part, highest price in this area, okay? And it starts on this area and it ends on this point, right? So that means this is the lowest price, this is the opening price, this is the highest price, and this is the lowest price, and this is the closing price. So, and the trend is down. So it starts higher than the closing. So if we graph this in a day, example in one day, this will be a red color bar because the price went down, right? And this will be the starting point, the body of the candle, and this will be the end point of the body of the candle, and this will be the end point of the string at the lower part, and this will be the end point of the string at the highest part. Now let's change it back, this back to a day, okay? So you can see, understand what I mean, okay? So the bar that we saw just a while ago represents this kind of bar, okay? This red bar. So, but if the price went up, it will be a green one, okay? So this candle bar here, so the opening price for a green one will be the lower body of the candle. So let's add a line here so you will understand. So this is the opening price. That's $132.28 price of Apple when it started on April 13. This is April 13. Then that price started to fluctuate during that day. Okay, it went as low as 131.81 and goes as high as 134.51. Actually, if you are able to buy, share at this lowest point and then sell it at the highest point, you can earn money, right? So that's how you see it. And then when the market closes, the price is 134. So when the color is green, this is this means this is a bullish, you know, sign because a lot more people buy stocks. That's why the price went up, eventually went up. But there are also sellers. That's why this string is not the highest price. No, it went down. Okay, now the next day, April 14, become red. Okay, the starting price is around $134.80. Okay, and it went bullish at first, maybe at certain times it went bullish, and it went as high as 134.84. But then a lot more, there's a lot more people selling stocks, and it's called bearish. So it went down as far as $131.61. Then at the end of the day, or the closing of the market, it ends at $131.94. So this bar means there's a lot more seller than buyer during this day. Okay, that's why the stock went down. Okay, and then the next day it become green again. Okay, so that's how you read this candlestick. And hope this blog is very helpful for you. And there are a lot more ways to how it looks like. How you can read this one, like this one, right? This is there's a seller and buyer here, but eventually there are more seller, and stock closed at almost the same price when open, right? Okay, if you want to learn more about candlestick, you can read. I saw this a really good material. This is from Stock School Charts. If you want to go crazy over it, you can read this one. But for me, I don't go crazy over it. I just want to learn how to read it. So that's what I discussed to you a while ago. But if you want to know more, if you want to become really technical about this, you can read this one. And it looks very interesting. Okay. So just visit this website. No, I'm no way affiliated to the site, but I just think this is a really good material. Okay, by the way, if you're curious, I'm using eToro platform I use for trading cryptocurrencies. As you can see my portfolio, this is my virtual portfolio. I'm trading a lot of cryptocurrencies and some commodities. But in my real portfolio, I'm just trading a few numbers of cryptos, because I don't have enough capital. Just like this. This is virtual capital. It's 100,000 and I'm playing with it. So it's good that it is beneficial if you learn how to read the chart. And there are a lot more you can learn. And next time maybe we can discuss more. But hopefully it helps you how to read the candlestick. So until next time, guys. But don't forget to, if you use eToro, use my link, my referral link, and I will put this on my description of my video. Use that, and then you can play with stock market and start reading charts. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you very much. Until next time, see you later. Tesla.